Hi everyone, my name is Amanda and I'm the lead stylist here at Charlie Goss Styling. So today I'm going to be chatting through what I am bringing on a 7-day tropical vacation. I'm heading to Mexico next week, so I thought that I would share how I pack for my trip. I try not to overpack, although it's kind of inevitable. I try to bring things that I can mix and match in the daytime and then also into the evening. So I'm going to chat through what I have on this rack and also my accessories, what shoes pair with what, and then I'm going to pack my bag with you guys. First thing is my travel outfit. So I like to obviously be comfortable on the airplane. So I have this romper from Abercrombie. It's actually a sweatsuit romper. So I would just put a t-shirt under this. I have the shorts, and then I'll do socks and a sneaker, and then some sort of a tote bag to bring on the plane. It's only about like a 4-hour plane ride, so I don't need my legs to be covered or anything, but something very comfortable but still stylish like this is something that I usually go for on the plane. For daytime, I love a good colorful cover up. So it is hard for me not to pack a cover up for every single day, but I've tried to kind of edit this down so that you guys don't overpack when you go on your trip. I have here a few crochet dresses. So for cover ups, I have 3 dresses, I have 2 bottoms, and then I have 1 matching set. So that should be enough to rotate through during the week. So I have 2 crocheted cover-ups. This one I got on vacation in Portugal, I think 2 years ago, but I love the colors in this. And then this one I got recently from Revolve. Like I said, I love colorful things on vacation, so these will work well with my bathing suits. And then it's also good to have just something neutral that you can throw on with any of your colorful bathing suits if you have any, just in case these are too much and will clash with the bathing suits you have. So I brought this one just as a neutral. This adorable little matching set that I love so much. I'm excited to wear this with maybe like a yellow bathing suit or a cream bathing suit, but this is also good because you can mix and match. So what I would do with something like this is maybe wear this one day, and then another day you could throw on maybe a pair of linen pants with this top and have a completely different outfit. The linen pants are another key piece that I would bring on vacation. They'll work for daytime or nighttime, and of course the fabric is great for the warmer weather. And the last cover up that I have is black crocheted skirt. This is from NYX. This will work well again with any of my bathing suits because of the color, but I like that it's just the bottom and then I would just wear a bikini on top. So again, it'll be perfect for the warmer weather. And I love the little detail here with the ties and the slit, perfect for vacation. So those are more so like beach and daytime outfits. And then one other daytime outfit that I have is just a pair of shorts and a little crocheted top. So this outfit would be more for if I'm actually leaving the resort and maybe we're doing like an excursion or something or going to see something. The rest of these will just be for at the resort going to the beach. And then this would be my outfit for actually leaving and doing something that requires not just a bathing suit. So obviously good to have a pair of denim shorts on the trip. So altogether I have 6 cover-ups, and then I have 1 daytime outfit. I also have just a basic white tank that I'll be using for my nighttime outfit, but this will come in handy for the daytime as well because you can pair this, of course, just with your shorts or with linen pants to like go for breakfast or something. So you definitely need some sort of a white tank top on your trip. So for bathing suits, again, I tried not to overpack. What I've realized after traveling a lot now is that I will bring a ton of bathing suits and then I end up wearing the same one over again that I feel really comfortable in. So I brought a few that are new, and then I brought some that I know that I really love and feel good in. So I have here 4 2-pieces, and then I brought one piece. I like to tan, so I do prefer a 2-piece, but I think this will be really cute for photos, and of course the colors are and pattern are perfect for vacation. So for nighttime, I have 6 outfits. I brought a few dresses, pant options, and then a skirt option. So I have this beautiful brown dress, just in case we're doing like maybe a dressier dinner or something. I thought this would be pretty for the evening. I love the detail on the back. I have a little 2-piece set. This just screams tropical vacation to me. I love the red with the cream, and I love the little detail on the top. I have a few more dresses just because they're like the easiest to pack and you always feel good in a dress. So I got this cute little dress from Aritzia. I love the smocked top and the low back. It'll be really comfortable as well. I got this beautiful dress from the thrift store actually. I thought this would be pretty for like sunset photos or something by the beach in the evening. So love this one. So this is actually my favorite outfit. I love a cute little sequin detailed skirt with just a tank top. And then I will pair a little heel with this and a fun little bag, and that will be another evening outfit. My last evening outfit is this beautiful dress from Dynamite. The colors and the florals just scream vacation to me, so I'm very excited to wear this guy. Now for bags, I only have 2 bags here. So I have one neutral evening bag that will go with literally every single one of my outfits. And then I have one fun daytime bag that will also go with all of my outfits. So even though it's beaded, the colors are still neutral, so it'll still go with everything that I have here, but I like something a little more fun for the day. Shoes typically take up a ton of space in my suitcase, so again, I try not to overpack. I have 2 little sandals for the daytime, and like I said, I am just always at the pool or the beach, so I'm not thinking about bringing anything dressier for the daytime. And if I do end up going on an excursion or something, I can still wear one of these, obviously with my jean shorts. So I have one light pair and then one darker pair. I love the clear straps on these ones. For the evening, I brought one little kitten heel. So very, very low heel. Love this little detail here. And again, these will go with every single one of my outfits, which is what I want when I'm packing. But I do have here a little scarf that I usually bring on all my trips. This is from the thrift store. I will wear this as like a scarf on my head, or I'll put this on my bag or something if I want a little extra detail. But I love these. They're easy to pack and they elevate every single outfit. I also have this little hair scrunchie, which again will go great with like maybe this blue outfit or any of these little cover-ups, but they just help to take your outfit up a notch and add a little more color for a tropical vacation.